Hi, and welcome to Maker Scientific. Today we'll be talking about the SA375 floor model stone grinder by ATM. And one of the first things that's going to jump out and grab your attention is this large color touchscreen panel. And what that's going to do is give you total control of this machine, including the interval, removal rate, and speed at which the diamond dressing tool works. Another great thing of this control panel is it allows you to name, store, and password protect your procedures. Moving down here, we have a tall shroud to accommodate taller samples, and safety is always top of mind. So here we have a thick stainless steel plate that's going to protect you from the spinning stone. We have the 2-button start system and the emergency stop. ATM manufactures its own laboratory furniture, and over here they've added an HPL countertop to the working area so you don't scratch up your aluminum. We'll take a look and see what's inside the cabinets now. On the left cabinet you have access to your recirculation system, and what's nice is that the wheels just kick out and you have access to a hose here for cleaning the basin, and if you continue pulling you have access to the filter bag area when it's time to change those out, and when you're all set you just simply push back and the wheels kick up and it's out of the way. In the right compartment, ATM does this on all their floor models, you have access to a sealed grounded compartment. And I already pulled the screws out so I can just lift that up. And you can see the seal here. And this just makes for a quick and easy service. So I want to talk a little bit more about the diamond dressing tool itself. So I'm going to push this head out of the way. I'm going to unravel this lever once. It's going to pop up. There's a pin over here to pull and swivel. So here we have a thick aluminum base, and this is going to provide some rigidity as this tip is going across that stone. And speaking of the tip, there's just a little bit sticking out, which is going to provide less flexing than say a longer tip that might waver as it goes across the stone. And also this piece right here comes down, which is also very thick and rigid, which is going to help provide less flexing. And less flexing is going to provide a smoother stone, which is going to provide smoother samples, which is going to lead to less work in the fine grinding step. I want to show you how to load and unload the sample holder, and I should be coming from a leveling step which could be performed with the ATM pneumatic leveling press. And I need to move the head off center one way or the other to be presented with the load button. And at first it's going to try and eject it. It's going to ask me to put my hand under it and catch it. And now I'm going to take this and find the hole, get it in there, and then this time when I push it, it's going to use some air pressure and suck it up and lock it in there like that. I'm going to go to work. When I'm done, I'm going to put my hand under there, push the check button. Yes, my hand's under. It's going to drop down. I'm going to go clean this and head over to my SA560 grinder polisher for some fine grinding. So that's a basic overview of the SA375. We have a whole video series dedicated to other topics such as how to program each section of the control panel, how to work with the diamond dressing tool, and how to swap out the stone. We think these will answer most of your questions, but feel free to reach out to us if you have others. Thanks for watching.